Alright, so let's say we want to import a photo into our design. We have two ways of doing this operation. The first way, which is a standard way for importing an image and has other benefits to it, is called mask with shape. So here we have this artboard created next to the Discover artboard. I'm going to rename it Rounded Corners and Mask with Shape. So we want to have a photo imported right here, just like the card on the Discover artboard. In order to do that, we are going to need a placeholder first. So we are going to need a rectangle just this big in order to place the photo inside of that. So in order to do that, grab the rectangle tool, come here, click and drag. That's good enough. Then I'm going to hold down Option, or if you're on Windows, Alt key, click, drag it in enough. 100, let's say 100. Awesome. Now we have the shape. I'm going to grab my select tool, then I'm going to remove the border. So we have a rectangle, and right now we need to import a photo. In order to do that, let's go to the file menu here, the last option here, import, and then my Finder opens, and from here I have mask with shape. I'm going to import the photo, and right now the photo is imported on my canvas. I want to place it inside of this rectangle that I've created. I'm going to hold down Shift, then select that rectangle that we created. Then from the object menu, I'm going to open it. We have mask with shape here. I'm going to select it, and right now that photo is masked within that rectangle. So a click to select a group, double click to access the photo in order to move it around, and we can resize it from here with these handles around it. Let's go with this size for it here. We can even do some editing to it. It doesn't feel right, so I'm going to select the photo and rotate it just 1 degree. It looks better. It was that simple. Select two elements, a photo and a rectangle or something else, and then go to the object menu and do a mask with shape operation. But there is another easier way. I'm going to go all the way up here to this artboard that we created, Adobe Xd 101. So let's say we want to have an avatar picture just like here. I'm going to grab the rectangle tool, click, and then draw one. For the size, let's go with 100 to 100. That's perfect. I'm going to grab my select tool, click and drag in order to place it in the middle, and as you can see, I can see the spacing between my elements and other stuff. So let's put it here, and for this one, let's go 20 pixels from the top, and from here let's go with 40 pixels. Alright, so we have the shape, and another way to import a photo is just open this folder that I have, then go to pictures. I have this avatar image right here. I'm going to click and just drag it here on this rectangle, and boom, it's applied there. Then again, I can click in order to access the photo, in order to even zoom it in and place it however that I want. Let's go with this. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. For the borders, let's go with white, and I'm going to add a little bit of rounded design to it. And let's go with the other stroke, because right now it's covering my photo, but with auto stroke it's not. And let's add a little bit to it. Alright, so that was how you can import an image to your design. We can also import other files this way. Remember that I wanted to write a text from the office, and it was just I opened the text file and I wrote it from there. It was so hard, but there is another faster way. For example, then again right here I'm going to place this one to the top, and then I'm going to select my text tool, click and drag in order to define an area. And for right now I'm gonna go with placeholder. Alright, that's just a text. Okay, I'm going to open my Finder again to here. I have this text file, alright, area text, and it's a text file as you can see. Just click and drag it inside of this rectangle, and boom, the text is applied here, and I can change the font or other stuff. So that's simple. That was how you can import a file into your design. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more content.